Hi guys, Mr. New Mobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Apple's brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max is certainly its most advanced phone of 2023. So let's talk about the common problems iPhone users faces every day. Does your iPhone refuse to charge? Don't worry. We'll show you how to fix an iPhone that's not charging. Let's start with the basics. Check your charging cable and power adapter. Make sure they are not damaged or frayed. If they are, replace them with new ones. Inspect the charging port on your iPhone. Sometimes dust, lint, or debris can accumulate in the port, preventing a proper connection. To clean the charging port, gently insert a toothpick or a small brush and carefully remove any visible dirt or debris. Be cautious not to damage any of the pins inside the port. If there's still no luck, try using a can of compressed air to blow any remaining debris out of the charging port. This can help establish a solid connection. Now, let's ensure that the charging cable is properly connected. Disconnect and reconnect it firmly to both the iPhone and the power adapter. If none of these steps work, try using a different charging cable and power adapter. Sometimes, the issue may lie with a faulty cable or adapter. Lastly, if your iPhone still won't charge, try performing a hard reset. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can often fix an iPhone that's not charging. If the problem persists, it might be time to seek professional help. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. One, peace out.